Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started.
Yo! Did I get you this time? Let me know if I got you this time. I always try to get you guys. Let's go! ETH merge hype, baby! Let's let another beat drop here. Come on! Come on! Let's go! I'm gonna stop clapping now. Hold on, let's go! ETH merge hype, hype, ETH merge hype, 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 hype. Alright, let's jump on into it, man. Let's get it. Let's talk some charts and have some fun tonight. Come on, man. Let's get it. The ETH merge? Wow! Wait, Crypto Bata. Wait, no. Crypto Bata told me buy the rumor, sell the news. BitBoy told me buy the rumor, sell the news. Wait, everyone's telling me to sell. Everyone's telling me to sell the news. Okay, I'm going to sell. Because all the YouTube influencers are telling me to sell. So I'm going to sell now. I'm going to sell before the merge. There we go. I sold, guys. I sold. I'm rich. Okay, I'll see you later. I'm going to sell. I'll be back. See you guys. See ya. And I farted. And he farts for some reason. Yo! What's going on, man? What's going on, man? What's going on? We got the Ethereum merge coming up in about 7 hours today. We got Bitcoin for now holding 20K. Will it continue to hold 20K? Well, we'll talk about it. So far, so good. Let's talk some charts and let's talk about maybe what we could expect today. A lot of people are expecting a dump from Ethereum. Shout out to my Ethereum. You know I gotta rock the Ethereum hat today. Holy! You didn't see anything. You didn't see anything on the hair, man. You know I gotta rock the Ethereum hat today. For the Ethereum merge, of course. It's coming up today, man. It's been a big day. Now, will we get a pump? Will we get it dumped? That's what everyone wants to know today. All right, everyone and their mother wants to know that right now. I will say this. The one thing I will say, and I'll do a quick rant alert before we start today, guys.
Rant alert.
One thing I'll say before we get started today is everyone thinks we're going to dump. Literally everyone. I haven't seen anyone on Twitter or on YouTube that's like not saying it's going to be buy the rumor, sell the news, which, let's be honest, a lot of times these news events are buy the rumor, sell the news, but a lot of times not everyone's saying it. Everyone's saying that this time. Everyone's saying it this time. I'm not going to say it's 100% guaranteed Ethereum just moons to the upside, but would I be surprised? No, I would not be surprised whatsoever, but I'm ready for both scenarios, man. I'm personally not trading this shit. I'm not trading this shit right now because I don't know what's going to happen tonight. I got no shorts, no longs in on Ethereum right now, except obviously my long-term holds. But yeah, I'm not trading this shit because I have no idea what's going to happen. But I won't be surprised if it pumps because everyone expects it's going to dump. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. The opposite always happens. Yeah, if you got crypto banter and if you got crypto banter saying that it's likely going to be a sell the news event, it's probably going to pump. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Anyways, it'll dump if it's not successful. Yeah, probably. Right now, we are going to move up right now. Now, I'm going to start with Ethereum here because that's the big cookie today that everyone cares about today. Now, we talked about this morning, okay? I want to see a gun go up, by the way, guys. This morning, we talked about how this level right here, that Ethereum actually built a W formation on going into tonight, which is awesome. You got a nice W formation at the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, which is freaking awesome. We talked about how much confluence was coming in right here at this level. We talked about this yesterday. We talked about this morning. And so far, so good. We held that level to an absolute T. That one played out pretty well. Bitcoin went a little bit lower. It actually wicked to that $20,600 level, which we talked about 19.5 was the second level to watch. We didn't quite get there. We wicked to 19.6 and able to hold that level initially, but so far, so good. Let's go back to Ethereum, though. So Ethereum hold the 0.618. We know we had this uptrend of support, right? Spanning all the way back down here to the bottom, right? We had 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, 4 touches, 5 touches, and we just got that 5th touch, okay? And so far, so good. Now, will it continue up? We'll see. We do have previous support coming in at this yellow box as well. So there's a lot of support right there, and we're able to hold it, and now we're getting a bounce. Now, will we continue up is the question that everyone wants to ask. And, we'll do our best here. We'll do our best here. But we know what our good friend Georgie thinks. George, what do you think? Get everyone hyped in the chat right now, George. Come on, man.
Strap up. We're going to the
Get everyone
moon.
hyped in the chat. George, what are you doing over there? So wrong, man. All right, anyways. George, what do you think? I am George. We're all George. Jordan, we gonna go up. There is no question in my mind that we are gonna go up. Ethereum is going to the moon. Nothing is stopping it after the merge. We are extremely bullish. And, quite frankly, I see actually Ethereum hitting 2,500 within the next 2 weeks, okay? We are building a strong base here at 1,600. We're building a strong base here at 1,600, and it's extremely bullish, okay? So, you guys are calling me in the chat, man. You guys are calling me in the chat. Chill. Chill. I saw that meme today in the Discord, and it was too funny, man. It's too funny. It's too funny, man. I love those memes. I love memes. I'm a big meme guy. I love freaking memes, man. And that one was great. That one was literally great, man. All right, so what can we expect going forward, guys? I mean, listen, does anyone really know what's going to happen? No, that's why I'm not trading this shit. But I'll give you guys, what the charts are at least telling me. And we know as a point in case yesterday. Let's see. Yo! Yo, I promise that's not the internet, man. It's not the internet. I would know it's the internet. YouTube does not like this. YouTube does not like this talk, man. YouTube does not like this talk. It's ridiculous. No, it's not the internet. I guess YouTube doesn't like the ETH merge talk, man. It wants to hide the bullishness. If you know what I'm saying, man. It wants to hide the bullishness. It's ridiculous, dude. It's ridiculous. We got destroyed. Smack up that like button to get everyone back in here, man. Come on. Help out your boy. Smack the like button to get everyone back in here. It's ridiculous, bro. It's ridiculous. Anyways, what were we talking about, guys? Watch that 50 EMA. The 50 EMA is always the level to watch. Okay? And really all the moving averages, they happen to be right at the same level. So watch those. If we can break those, dude, ETH could be looking good, right? ETH can be looking good. So let's pay attention. The 4 hour doesn't look bad. I love the 4 hour setup here. You just got to see it play out. And hopefully you don't get that buy the rumor, sell the news shit that everyone's talking about. You know what I'm saying? It's a trap for the bulls. Now, the big thing to watch here, and I've seen a lot of people talk about this, is the Ethereum Bitcoin ratio. Now, this is getting my Gymborees a little bit excited, man. My Gymborees are a little bit excited, bro. Okay, you guys are saying the channel is the ETH merge. Maybe I'm Vitalik. Maybe I'm Vitalik. I mean, it makes sense. I do pick my nose, and I do this.
Happy and clappy.
Come on, man. Happy and clappy for the ETH merge tonight. Let's go. Come on. Horse guy got flagged as bestiality. That's so true. Only in 2022, man. Only in 2022. You can get canceled for making fun of a pencil because it's offensive against pencils, man. It's like I could get canceled for calling people a pencil neck, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because pencil necks would be like, holy shit, bro. This is ridiculous. Like I have a pencil neck. What are you trying to say? I got a pencil neck, bro. It's ridiculous, man. Anyways, Ethereum, Bitcoin. This is the chart that gets me feeling a little bit nice. All right, a little bit hyped up because, hey, look what's going on right now, right? So we got rejected initially from that previous high. What we want to see here from Ethereum. Oh, YouTube, don't listen. Oh, here we go. Right on time, man. Oh, this is a different car today, guys. This is not Jabba's car. Oh, what the shit? What the friggin' shit? Where's my keys? Where's my friggin' keys? I don't have time for this. It's the ETH merge. And around the blockchain's on. I don't have time for this shit. Wendy's coming. Wendy's talking soon. Oh, there we go. Wait, I missed Wendy. I friggin' miss Wendy. Mom, Wendy VR. All right. Anyways, this is what got me excited. So we know the ETH Bitcoin ratio, right? This is on the daily chart. We haven't been able to crack this red box. All right. Now we got an initial rejection last week, and that was the end of the move. Now, Bob knows how to drive. Now we are trying to come back up to the top here. So you guys are killing me in the chat, man. Sometimes I just have fun and I just like having fun. And you guys kill me in the chat. And I can't, it's hard for me to be serious sometimes. All right, so we want to see this red box break. If this red box can break, which, I know it's speculative right now. I know we don't know. The ETH merge can cause Ethereum to dump. We know this. But if it doesn't, and Ethereum can crack this red box of resistance that's been holding it back since May of 2021 on Ethereum BTC, bro, you could be seeing ETH BTC come all the way back up to 10.5 on the ratio, which would be about a 31% gain against BTC. That's no joke of a move. That's comparative to what kind of the move that we've had the last couple weeks. About half that move, but still a pretty big freaking move. Could that be in the cards? And that's something we've been waiting. That's something we've been waiting for forever, right? So let's watch. Let's observe. Could be a little skeptical at this point, but we shall keep watching, man. We shall keep freaking watching the ETH BTC chart, all right? So that's really on ETH. I mean, right now it's finding some resistance at those EMAs. We got to see those EMAs break if we want to see it continue up to the upside. But, you know, we got a long night. We got a long night ahead of us, my man. Long night ahead of us. Let me see. George is deep in your tailpipe? That sounds so wrong, man. That sounds so wrong. That's too much, man. That's too much. By the way, we're not going to show that meme again, because I guess maybe YouTube doesn't like that meme, man. Anyways, let's come back over here. So, what do we got with the Bitcoin chart? Can Bitcoin have a move up on this, or you know, is Bitcoin going to hold that 20K level? Because this is also the level we've been kind of waiting for Bitcoin to see if it can hold, right? 20K psychological level. It did get a wick all the way back down to 19.6, right? All the way back down to 19.6. Once again, Becker's out here calling the shots. Do I look like a man who didn't just fuck your mom? Well, you're right. I don't got time for that shit. Why? Because I'm rich, because I'm sexy, I got six-pack abs, and I don't got time to do that shit. Your mom's ugly, okay? So take it for what it is. Guys, we just dumped to 19K again. If you did not buy the dip at this point, you are literally an idiot. You literally have no common sense. You guys were buying at 25K while I was selling on your ass. I was selling my bags as you were buying your bags at 25K. Now I'm buying your bags as you're panic selling while you're sitting in your basement with your head in your pillow crying because you're a virgin and you haven't had sex in your life. And I banged your mom 2 weeks ago, okay? So you need to be buying this dip. If you don't buy this dip, I will come back there and I will do some dirty, dirty things to your mom again, all right? So don't be a pussy, all right? Do what you need to do, but I'm buying this freaking dip like crazy, and I will sell on your ass again when we go back up to the upside, okay? That's all I got to say. See you guys. I don't know why I have Becker wear a hood. He doesn't really wear a hood anymore. Anyways, it is what it is. 100 million% shadow banning comment. It is what it is. We've been shadow banned a million times. We always beat it. All right. So the 1 hour time frame. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame for BTC. We wicked to 19.6. Okay. Awesome. So we were watching these two vector candles right here. We either said we were going to bounce from about the 20K level, which is the 0.618 retracement. We go back to the 4 hour time frame. We were going to bounce to the 0.618 retracement, which we did initially, but then we dipped right back down. But what we were able to do on the 4 hour time frame, which is a good thing, right? Which is a really, really good thing, at least for the short term. Like, if you're a bull, you got to like this for the short term. If you're a bear, you're still going to like this because we still dumped. What we did is we were able to come back down and take these two yellow vector candles right here, which were going to be a nuisance at some point because they usually come back up and come back and take in some point. But now we came back and took those right now. All right, so now we don't have to worry about those, at least right now. So that's beautiful. So we wicked down, we took this yellow vector, Now is this the chance that we can come back up? Well, once again, we got to wait to see what happens tonight with this ETH merge, okay? But you still got this. You still got this juicy looking figure up there. You see this juicy thing? There's a lot of liquidity up here for the market makers to come back up and take, okay? There's a lot of juiciness right here. A lot of juiciness. 4 hours set. The 4 hours set up too. If it wants to come up, it can. It's just a matter of is ETH going to ruin it for us? But you got the 4 hour stock crossing to the upside. You got momentum coming back to the upside. So 4 hour looks okay if it wants to come back up once again. The daily still looks shady. So take that for what it is. The daily still doesn't look great, but on the 1 hour time frame, you also did have bullish divergence, right? You had lower lows on the price action, higher lows on the on momentum here. And you had bullish divergence on the stock RSI too. So that led to this pump. Is this, it wasn't really a pump, but was this initial move over? Right? I mean, right now we seem to kind of be struggling with this level right here, right? So once again, on the 1 hour, you got these juicy things up here. It's just a matter of, do they want to come back up and take this first? All right? Let's find out on the next episode of Crypto Ball Z. If you know what I mean, man. Crypto Ball Z. Crypto Ball Z. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me know in the chat, man. Let me know in the chat. Will ETH pump or dump on the will ETH pump or dump? Let's see. Will ETH pump or dump on the merge? You can say, I'll add a sideways option too. Pump, dump, sideways. Pumped up or sideways? Let me know. Pumped up or sideways? Pump, dump, or sideways? Jordan, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? You talking about me and Java? Well, yeah, I pumped Java, you know. I also have dumped Java, and Java likes it sideways too, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean? Come on, Jordan. Melissa, don't tell him that. Don't tell him that. I'm rich now. You're with me. Don't tell him that. That's our business. Frickin' Melissa. I'm shorting again to show her who's boss. I'm shorting tonight. All you ETH merge hypers. I'm gonna short on your ass. And Melissa will be mine. She'll be mine. Freaking Melissa. Anyway, we'll get off that. So we got Horse Guy who dumped all his ETH. We got Java who is shorting now. Let's see. Will they be right? I mean, they're my brothers, so hopefully they'll be right. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully they'll be right. Massive Giordano dump. Let's see what you guys are saying in here. It's pretty 50-50, actually. I'm shocked, man. Everyone's been calling for a dump that I've seen. On Twitter, at least. And, you know, Twitter's Twitter. It is what it is. But everyone's been calling for a dump, man. Everyone and their mother. What's ETH doing right now? Still got a little resistance. Still not really doing much. Still not doing much right here. So we got pretty much 43% dump, 41% pump, and 16% sideways. You gotta love it. You can't make this shit up. Let me see. So QM said, is the ETH merge party pick ETH or ADA? I mean, ETH has, ADA has good news coming up. Not good, and that's good news, but an upgrade coming up, is it next week? I believe. And then Creighton said, so no pump before the merge, but after a huge pump. Makes perfect sense. So Creighton thinks dump and then a pump after the merge. Okay. And Psycho Pearl said, there's literally no volume. Well, right now we have no vector candles. So you are not wrong saying that there's no volume on Bitcoin right now. You're definitely not wrong, man. There is literally no volume on Bitcoin. No volume on Ethereum. That shows that we're dumping. One of the biggest events in the history of crypto. And we're literally dumping. What a shit show this is. We're in a recession. There is zero chance that we pump on any type of news. We're in a bear market. Christ, man, these people getting pumped over a stupid merge. You really think we're going to pump, you bunch of idiots? We are not pumping. We're in a goddamn recession. Nice, man. Even I know that, and I'm old as shit. My skin's wrinkly, peeling off my skin. Oh. I love when you guys agree with Mike. It's like Mike's actually coming in here and spitting facts. Holy moly, man. Holy moly. ETH going to pump and dump, then climb uphill. Facts, man. Guys, smack up that like button. I mean, the stream got like discombobulated for like 2 seconds. Smack that like button, man. Palajek said agreed. Yeah, that's true. That's true, man. Palajek agrees. When Palajek agrees, you listen. You know what I'm saying? NFT Boogie said NQ1 Nasdaq futures has bullish pattern on the 1 hour. Yeah, I mean the Nasdaq performed well today. We'll check out the futures coming up when we get to that in just a few minutes. Right now, Bitcoin's just kind of chilling at resistance, right? So we'll draw a little trend line coming across right here. That's the level we got to break for Bitcoin here in the short term. 20,400. So far, just kind of chilling. It could just be coming back to take this little 15-minute vector before pumping back to the upside. So let's watch that and keep our little eye in the 20,400, man. Let's see. When merge? 7 hours, man. 7 hours to the merge. I'll be sleeping. A lot of you guys want me to stream at 1 a.m. you have a better chance of me not going to my shift tonight. You know what shift I'm talking about too. Can I take your order? You're a better chance of not seeing me at McDonald's tonight, guys. All right, let's see. So let's continue on. So yeah, I mean, we kind of talked about pretty much everything there. The daily, I mean, the daily's the daily. The daily is the daily. What kind of comment is that? The daily is the daily. I mean, it is. We're stuck in this little range, right? Between 20,700 and 18,800, really. I mean, and we keep going up, down, little deviation to the upside, up, down, up, down, up, down. So we're just stuck in the middle of this range, you know? And I said, until we break, you know, to me, it's like, until we break 19.2, which is, 19,250 on a weekly close, I'm not going to get too worried about things here. The daily is, you know, you could argue two different things in the daily, right? You have this yellow vector right here. Could just be them coming back down and take this liquidity before bring it back up, all right? You know, if you kind of look at where Bitcoin is at the moment, if you look at where it is, you know, I noticed this little trend line on the stock RSI today, like this. You guys know I love my RSI trend lines. You got this little daily stock RSI trend line. Could you get a bounce off this? Right? It's only 2 touches on it, so take it for what you will. I'm not an idiot. You had this guy yesterday come in and say, Jordan, you're an idiot for saying that. So saying that there's two touches on a trend line.
Rant alert.
No shit. I know there's 2 touches on the trend line, but I guess you got to kind of project out. You got to project out a little bit, right? So can we see a little bit of bounce off this and kind of hold on the upper bands of this stock RSI on the daily? Maybe. And we'll kind of go from there. I will say this, though. I mean, just to keep it super, super simple, I mean, if Bitcoin starts coming back down and starts closing dailies back below, I mean, to me, if Bitcoin starts closing dailies back below 19.3, just be prepared for some carnage, man. Okay, that's what I'll say. Below 19.3, I mean, you're going back into those 18,000 levels, and you know, anything's fair game at that point. You know, do we finally come back down and take these wicks down here from 17K? We'll see, right? There's always the bearish scenario, so be prepared for both scenarios. All right, but right now we're just chilling in a little daily range, kind of doing our thing, kind of relaxing in this daily range, if all I say. Now, that leads me into my next point. We talked about this morning. Expect a giant move on the weekly time frame. Okay, and I don't say this lightly. Something that's only happened a handful of times in the last couple of years is about to happen again. What is that? Well, that's the weekly BBWP about to being bottomed out. Okay, number 1 being bottomed out, and number 2 gonna get the cross on it in the next 2 weeks, and then probably in the next 2 weeks, depending on price action. What does that mean? Well, when you get the cross on this, the last times you've seen monumental moves, like moves that would scare you to the downside and give you a huge boner to the upside. Okay, so it's gonna happen within the next couple weeks. I'm expecting this range to be broken out of pretty soon. And it's just my opinion. Take it for what you will. Don't shoot the messenger. Okay, I'm not here to. You're not here to shoot the messenger, man. But you expect to move. Now, it usually goes in the way that the market's going at the current time. Right now, it's down. You know, so take that for what you will. But the last time we had this was right here. Okay, the last time we had this was right here, and that was a massive move to the downside, man. So just be prepared. Like, that's a move down. That's about 53% move down to the downside. Once again, it generally goes in the direction that the market's going at the current time. Okay, this time the market was going down into the cross. You got the cross, you dumped 53%. The last time we had it was back here. Funny enough, in October of 2020, we got the cross right there. You know what happened after that. We had bull market territory. Okay, right here. Market was going up into the cross. You got the cross. You pumped about 366%. You get the point. My point is, a monumental move is coming, in my opinion. Whether it's that move that everyone's calling for 14K, 10K, or it's the move that everyone's calling for 30K. Right? That move is coming soon. Don't get it twisted. It's coming. It's probably going to depend on what the Fed does over the course of the next 1 or 2 months, man. So we'll touch on that as the time comes, but you know, it should be interesting. Should be interesting, man. You guys are funny with the BB. This BBW. You guys are killing me, man. I'm not going to comment on that because I've already gotten canceled once on this stream, man. You know what I'm saying? I've already gotten canceled once. So I got to keep my mouth shut, you know? That's where the cookie crumbles, man. Where is Bob? I'm frolicking in the meadows waiting for him. Bro, Bob's just patiently waiting at the bottom, right? He's patiently waiting at the bottom. You know, Bob is a believer in the bottom is comfy. Look at Bob right now. Wow. This is the bottom. Wow, Jordan. Thank you for the reassurance. We're at the Bitcoin bottom. This is so comfy, isn't it, guys? Oh, yeah. Let me just kick my feet up here. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is so comfy. Wow. Wish I had a girlfriend right now. You know, the bottom's kind of lonely. Do I have anyone to call? Let's see. Shit. Melissa? Oh, shit. But Job is with her now. My hand? Oh, man. It's too much. All right. Too much. Let's get back into it. You know, Bob's just chilling, man. He's chilling. He's comfy right now. He's very comfy. All right. What else do we got, guys? What else do we got? Well, you know, one thing we haven't looked at in a while, and I guess I should bring this up. One thing that we haven't looked at in a while is is this. So this is the moving average extension. Okay, what is this? What does this tell us, you guys? Chill in the chat, man. chill in the chat. Don't be making me laugh, bro. Jeremy, what is a vector candle? A vector candle is you know, it's my good friend Victor. No, it's basically shows you a candle that is higher in volume than the previous, depending on what you're setting as, right? So it shows you that a candle is higher in volume than the previous candles, whatever setting that you have. So basically show you that there's volume, that you're getting volume on the move that you're seeing at the current moment, basically. All right, so what's this? So this is the moving average extension, okay? The moving average extension. What does this show us? Well, this shows us how extended Bitcoin is from the 20-week moving average. And this has been, throughout this bear market, has been a pretty good resistance point where whenever you come up and test this, it seems like, that's been the point where Bitcoin tops out on its move, right? I mean, spanning all the way back from February of 2021. You hit it here, it's pretty much, I mean, a little bit off, but it's pretty much where Bitcoin hit the top. Right here in October of 2021, hit it right there. You get the point, pretty much the top. You hit it right here, April 2022. You hit it, that was the top. And, I mean, you hit it once right here, the other day, actually. Right here when we hit this little top, right there. And then you hit... What are you guys saying in the chat, man? What's this green stuff behind me? Why is this doing this today? It never does this. Well... Hey, green stuff, little green goo. Are you here to tell me that Ethereum's going to pump tonight? Little cute little pet. You cute little pet, you. Are you here to tell me Ethereum's going to pump tonight? Man. So fuzzy. He's so fuzzy. I don't know why it's doing that right now, though. It never does that. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good, man. Respect the fuzz. Respect the fuzz. Kind of like Vitalik does when he picks his nose, you know? He respects the booger. You gotta respect the booger. Anyways, we'll jump back into this in a second. Let's watch Vitalik eat his booger real quick. Hold on. There it is. Green slime. Crunk, what's up, buddy? Good to see you.
That's the shadow.
It's the shadow. Mm-hmm. It's gone now, which is good. Yeah, Ether, you just saw Vitalik pick his nose, guys. That was actually Vitalik, if you're new. He picks his nose He puts it on the wall. He picks it back up, puts it in a different spot. Yes, you saw what you saw. It's facts. It's facts. I'm watching it again right now over there. But yeah, so what does this tell us? Well, we actually just got a hit right there. And we're actually just got a hit this last week again right there. So we can't break this. And this is one of the things I continuously look at to see, all right, it's not the end-all be-all thing, but I want to see us get back over this. We're very close. All we really need is one more green week. That might be a little bit of a stretch with the CPI print that we got yesterday. Okay, that might be a slight stretch. So keep that in mind. But we're getting tight. We're getting tight. And the reason why I say we're getting tight is this green line right here tends to be where we bounce on this indicator. Okay, and the only times we dip below it tend to be the bottoms of bear markets, right? So we've dipped below this 5 times in Bitcoin's history. 5 times, the 0.74 level. Back here in 2014, we dipped below it twice. We dipped below it in 2018 once, 2020 once, and so far in this market once. So the reason why I say this is tight, and this is also pointing to Bitcoin having a big move. It all kind of correlates with each other because either Bitcoin's going to break this to the upside, which would mean BBWP probably brings Bitcoin to the upside. The volatility goes to the upside with the BBWP showing that a big move is coming. Or number 2, what does this show? Well, this is going to break back to the downside. And we should be expecting that big, volatile, massive capitulation, which every one of these breaks is a massive capitulation. So a big move is coming. Probably in September, and we got to be ready for it. There's a lot of speculation on which way. Is the bottom in? Is it not in? Are we going to 14K? A lot of speculation both ways, but it's coming. It's coming, and I would say this market is very interesting right now. Just be prepared for both directions, as I always say. Be prepared for those directions. Don't be caught off guard. Okay? Don't be sitting here like this, man.
Rant alert.
Oh wow, the bottom's in 100%. I'm selling my house. I'm selling my wife. I'm selling everything that I have to buy Bitcoin right now. The bottom's 100% in. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Dump it. Oh shit. Shit. Well, I just lost everything that I have. And also don't be this guy, okay?
Rant alert.
Ah, man. I don't own any crypto. I'm all cash. I'm all cash right now. I think I'm good, though. I think I'm good. We're in a recession. We're in a recession. You know what I mean? We're 100% in a recession. So I think I'm good. Pump it. Shit. Well, that sucks. Just be prepared for both scenarios, okay? That's it. Be prepared for both scenarios, man. That's all I'll say. All right, so what else do we got cooking here? I kind of went on my rants. I'm on my big rants, you know what I'm saying? I just sell other people's stuff. Nice. Nice, dude. Bob's bathwater. Divorce rate increase expected? No shit. It's been going up for like 5 years now. It's at all-time highs now. Hold on. Let's get rid of this. There we go. Holy moly, the goo is back. Our little goo. Our little goo friend is back over here. That's good. All right, what else do we got? What else do we got? So, flipping over to total market cap, it's sort of the same deal. We're going to check out altcoins in a second. Looks like ETH's still just chilling here at 1632. So nothing really going on with ETH. We're patiently waiting on ETH. Does the move happen after I get off stream? Probably. I mean, if I had to guess, it probably happens after. But, man, I wish I had the balls to stay up till 1 a.m. and stream. I don't know how many of you guys would watch. I really don't. And I don't think I have the balls for that, to be honest. Even though one time I did do a 12-hour stream, it was awesome. So total market cap, we got the rise up. So from our lows to our highs, our Fibonacci level, we have been able to hold that 0.618 Fibonacci level. All right, so far so good. So far so good. So you guys are killing me in the chat, man. You guys are all saying I want a divorce. I'm married but want a divorce. You guys are killing me, man. 50%. Sell it. Let's do it. It's panic time, panic buying. Why you guys saying it's panic time? The heck? Anyways, so the 0.618 Fibonacci, swing low to swing high. So far, so good you're holding this, okay? And, you know, we sort of do a little dubious speculation here. A little dubious speculation, as we would call it. You got the left hit, the rise. The second hit, the rise. Could you get that W formation, which is still below that neckline? You got to break that little old neckline here. W formation on total market cap to come take this vector candle. Doesn't show us a vector candle, so they don't have it on this chart, but this is a big 4-hour vector candle right here, which we haven't came up and taken any of yet on total market cap. So could the W formation be forming on the 618 fib? We're getting the 4-hour momentum cross to the upside right now as we speak. 4-hour stocks are coming back to the upside as we speak. Let's see if this got the juice to bring it back up here. If this doesn't hold on total, though, watch the 786, man. The 786 comes in right here at 928 billion, which from our current lows highs would be about a 3.5% move on total market cap. Nothing crazy, but watch that level if that breaks. That's basically, I mean, you look left, you have a couple lows in that range too. Back here from July 27th or July 17th and July 26th coming in right there, right? So watch that level. All in all, you guys know my take. I think this is a good point where we could get at least a little bit of a relief rally back to the upside. Not all-time highs, right? But a little bit of a relief rally to at least take these vector candles up here, right? So take it for what it is. 928. The fettuccine. The fettuccinis, man. We love fettuccinis in here. Let's see. I buy every time we dip below 20K. Brandon, I mean, that's been working out pretty good for you so far, buddy. You know, we'll see how it works out for you going forward, but so far, so good. So far, so good. I don't think you're going to be upset with those purchases in the future. Just, you know, if it does go lower, just don't FUD yourself out of the market, man. That's it. So what else do we got? What else do we got, man? Let's go check out a little NASDAQ action. You guys want a little NASDAQ action? You guys want a little NASDAQ action? Because I do. I do. Jordan, we came here for Bitcoin TA. We don't want it. We don't care about stock market. Do we look like the people that care about the stock market? Look at us watching your stream. We do not care about the stock market. We want to talk Bitcoin TA. Look at us all watching your stream. Look at us. Oh, shit, man. All right, let's look at the stock market. Stocks? Who came in here for stocks? No. Listen, man. I don't like looking at stocks, but it's important to look at stocks, okay? So take it for what you will. All right, so NASDAQ. The little old NASDAQ. Sometimes I try to picture you, you know, I see you guys' usernames every day. Sometimes I'm so curious what some of you guys look like. Not just because, like, I saw some of you guys in Vegas, and you guys were pretty normal, but you know, but like, I'm curious. Sometimes I'm curious, you know, which you guys see me every day, so you see my face. It's a weird little thing. I don't know, but right here, guys. So here's the thing on the NASDAQ. A lot of people are calling this, you know, a high. You're getting some type of high or low come in. Is it some type of high or low? Well, it's. I think it's a little bit too early to say, but you know, we are trying to hold this low again. You know, a lot of people are calling for this to be, you know, the potential of a W pattern. It's a little bit too early to say to me. A little bit too early to say. I'm not going to try to do some like major prediction on the NASDAQ, you know, but here's the deal. I would say this is the first time that we saw the NASDAQ at least trying to hold after a big rejection off this trend line. All right. The first time we've seen this, because it's gotten rejected from this trend line multiple times. I mean, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. It's trying to hold up here. The question is, if it's going to hold up here, it's going to come all the way back down to its lows, where if it comes all the way back down to its lows, well, that probably would be a little shady. Pretty a little shady, you know what I mean? Let's see. You really don't want to know what I look like in person. No, I do. I'm generally curious. But yeah, if this level breaks, I mean, look for the NASDAQ to come to the lowest again, which we don't want to see for crypto at all. You know, the 200 EMA is holding as support so far. This is the big level, man. We got a slight deviation below, but we want to hold this 200 EMA. Right? That's been the bottoms looking at back in the past. That was the bottom back here in 2015. That was the bottom back here in 2018. That was the bottom back here in 2020. So far, we had a slight deviation, but we're holding it. We want to hold that 200-week EMA. All right? The last time we broke it, which is a long time. We've held it as support so many times. We held it as support here in 2010. We held it as support in 2011. The last time we broke it was 2008. And when we broke that, that was gnarly. Who says gnarly, man? Jordan, you say gnarly? What a friggin' nerd. He just said gnarly. Oh my God. Who says gnarly? I haven't heard that since, like, I don't know, since I didn't live in the basement, which has been 20 years, you know? So, yeah, who says gnarly? But no, that's about they dropped about 43% after it broke the 200 EMA weekly last time. So, let's watch. But right now we're sitting right on top of it, you know what I'm saying? Gnarly, dude. That's gnarly, dude. Gnarly, and they do this when they say gnarly. That's gnarly, dude. It's gnarly, man. It's gnarly. It's gnarly. Don't surfers say that? It's gnarly, Maj. It's gnarly. She's so confused right now. She don't think she knows what gnarly means. Anyways, let's go back over here. So 1633 on ETH. Still just chilling like a villain. What else do we got, guys? Anything crazy going on? Nothing crazy. Some of you guys said some altcoins were pumping. Let's check out some alts, man. We got 13 minutes into the daily close. Do we have anything we want to fight for the daily close? Not really, to be honest. Not really, to be honest. Here's what we can fight for the daily close today, guys. If we want to fight for something, here's what we can fight for. All right. So I like to fight for something every night, and you know when we can. So let's get a fight on, man. Vikings! Holy shit, I am green. Holy shit, I am green. Hold on. I will fix that now for you. There we go. Vikings! We have been trying to hold this 20K support. In order for us to go back up to the upside, we need to break 20,400 on a daily close. Well, we don't really, but we're still thinking, we're just doing that thing here. If we want to get our goats back, if we want to take back our wives from the dirty bears, look at this dirty bear. Look at him. He's so ugly. Look at this dirty bear. Look at him. Look at his snarky little smile. Look at him. We must get back above 20,400 on stream. So spam the swords, spam the shield in the chat, and we will fight back the bears and take back the land that is rightfully ours. Fight them. Kick them in the balls after you do. But spam the sword shield in the chat. If you cannot find swords and shields, just type swords and shields in the chat. And we will take back this trend line and the land that we deserve. Alright. This is my hype. This is the hype today, man. Let's see the swords and shields in the chat. Let's do it. Let's see the swords and shields in the chat. Come on. You say, where's the merge? You guys are doing melons? Oh, look at all the bears, man. Nola said no. Spit on their toes. Look at all the bears in the chat, man. That's crazy, man. Holy crap, man. Screwing our webs. Oh, look at the swords come in. All right, let's get that off before you guys start doing some crazy crap. Why does it fart? Whenever I want it to fart, it doesn't fart. Whenever I change scenes, it farts. It's crazy, man. It is what it is, I guess. All right, let's go back to ETH. So ETH still chilling, 1633. Come on, ETH. Give me something, man. You know you want to come up like a good boy here. Like a good boy. 1 hour is actually getting across to the downside. And you also got momentum coming back down. So we know we broke the W pattern to the upside. Are we going to see... I got a lot of stuff going on this chart, but you know, just pay attention to it. Okay? Just pay attention to it. Are we going to see it now come back and test the neckline before coming back up? All right? So we know we break out of W formations. It likes to come back down and test the neckline before rising. So it doesn't have to, right? Don't get me wrong. It doesn't have to do that. But it could mosey its way like this, test it before coming back up before the merge. Let's find out. If it comes back and breaks back below this previous high, though, that's no bueno. And you're probably coming to test this trend line again, at least in the short term. So let's watch what happens, man. Let's watch what happens on the little old hourly chart. But I'm still looking at this juicy vector candle. I still think it's going to be coming back up to take this juicy liquidity. It looks good to me. Like if I was a whale and I saw this, okay? Everyone will wave hi to the whale, by the way. What's going on, whale? What's up, buddy? Haven't seen you in too long. Can you pump the market maybe, a little bit, a little bit? Come on. Who cares about the economy? Come on, man. Pump the whale, man. Pump the whale. Want to see the whale one more time? Here you go. This is pretty much where the whales have been into the market. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Warning shots fired.
We blew up the whale. No, but we want to see. We want to see what E can do here, man. I'm hoping we get a move up on stream, to be honest. I'm hoping we don't have to wait. All right, let's check out some altcoins. Because you guys tell me altcoins are doing stuff. What altcoins are doing stuff? I see ADA's still below resistance, but it's up about 4% today. It's still below this trend line, man. I can't get too bullish on ADA, even though it did perfectly come back down and test that 618 Fibonacci. We got to get back above this previous support, now acting as resistance. And you got all your EMAs acting as resistance right in the same level. So let's see, right? We got to get back above that level for ADA, but you're still finding resistance there. If Bitcoin can do it, ADA's going to do it. We know how it works, but that's the case. Link was pumping, by the way. ETC's pumping. Okay, let's go. Link's up 6% today. It's usually not a good sign for Bitcoin, but let's ignore Chainlink. Let's ignore Chainlink, man. Let's ignore Chainlink. Ethereum Classic. Okay, same here. Oh, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. You might be right at resistance. Should we play the pump song for this? I mean, you're still technically at resistance there. 1, 2, 3 hits. You're getting your 4th hit at the moment. You're technically still at resistance. Should we play it right now? I don't know. I mean, you could argue you could do it like this, and this was just a big little wickaroo there. Let's do it. I feel like dancing tonight, man. Let's get it. Come on. Remember these days, the sideways hat pump days? One day we'll be back. One day we'll be back. We're playing it anyways. No, it's still a resistance though. So just be careful right there, Just be careful right there. 1, 2, 3, get the 4th hit. Now, here's the thing about Ethereum Classic. ETH is moving to proof of stake. Do we make Ethereum Classic more juicy now? Because as we know, whenever the market seems to pump, Ethereum Classic seems to go nuts. Is Ethereum Classic a good play now? That's the question. What do you guys think in the chat? Is Ethereum Classic actually a good play for a longer term hold? Could be. We'll find out in the next episode of the Cryptoverse, but it is what it is. Let's see what you guys say in this poll, by the way. Will ETH pump or dump on the merge? It's pretty much even. 42% pump, 40% dump. 18% sideways. Pretty much even on pump or dump, man. You can't get more even than that, man. Yes, EDC needs to have an actual game plan. True. EDC to $100. I'm holding some just in case. Zoom out, ETC outperforming whole market. Oh, it did really good. Ethereum Classic, as you know, did really good in 2021. You guys remember that ETH Classic run that was nuts in 2021? Like literally nuts, bro. Literally nuts. Oh, Clint, I bought Near today. I actually did. Did you miss the morning stream? I actually bought it today. I'm actually officially a Near today. After days, and you guys know I'm serious. Like, how many times did I tell you I'm going to buy and I didn't? And I'm always honest. I actually bought it today. I did. So I am officially a Near warrior. So can we get a round of applause for Jordan being a Near warrior?
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
I'm part of the Near army, man. I bought the dip on Near. So let's get it. Let's get it, man. Clint coming in hot, though. Clint, you're the absolute stud, bro. Clint's is always in the Discord hanging out, man. Clint, dude, the thing about me is, bro, I appreciate that a lot. I am a troll, okay? So if I can't take being trolled back, what does that make me? What does that make me? If I can't take some trolling back, that makes me a bitch. Why? Because I troll all the time. So I have to be able to take the trolls back. I've seen everything. I've seen every troll in the book. You know what I'm saying? So, Clint, that's awesome, man. That's freaking awesome, bro. But I did buy some Near today, right after the stream, like I told you guys. So there it is, man. We're part of the Near army. No, but ETH Classic, you got to break this resistance. You break this resistance here. I mean, you look left. I mean, there's a good chance it comes and tests these highs again, right? I mean, this looks like it's a little wonky, but it kind of looks like just a big cup and handle pattern. It's a little wonky though, right? You got your round out structure. You got the second round out structure. It's a W formation, but a round out structure nonetheless. Now can you get that bounce? And I'd be looking for 45.28 if that can break this resistance here. So it's I wouldn't say now is the best time to enter, but you know, if it does break, look for 45.28. All right, so that's ETH Classic. I mean, not too much else to say besides that. Your 4-hour stocks are actually getting up there on ETC. So that move might be done for now unless we see Bitcoin and ETH go nuts. You know, hourly is a little bit topped out. I think ETH Classic is probably topped out on this initial move that it's having right now. Could be due for a quick pullback. The cut. Let's see. What are you guys saying in the chat, man? Mike, I will agree with you, my friend. But, yeah. I will genuinely agree with you, but it's, you know what it is. You know what it is. John, yes, they do not share Discord more. Crazy nuts people there. Crazy nuts people. Discord's awesome, man. Everyone has such different opinions in there, and we just kind of hang out and shoot the shit. What else do we got, though? On an actual red candle, like what you did earlier today? No, I bought Near in a red candle today. If the RR Union strikes, everything will dump. The Railroad Union? Yeah, I actually saw that today. I saw that in Georgia's stream today. That the Railroad Union might actually dump, which is crazy. And not dump, but might go and strike. So used to saying dump, man. It's the bear market. Anyways, that's ETH Classic. What else do we got, guys? What other alts you got for me? What other alts you got for me? Let me see what else I got in the little old goodie bag here. In the little old goodie bag, what else do we got? What else do we got? What's going on? What's going on across the U.S. by the way? Shit, man. I miss streaming. You know, I'm just gonna say it in the mirror to myself. The biggest channel in the interwebs. My name is BitBoy, and if you want to learn to make money in crypto, well, you subscribe to my channel because you'll learn how to gain money in crypto. Okay, so yeah, guys. I mean, I'm in Alaska right now, and it's freaking freezing. It's freaking freezing, man. All I've really been doing is sitting in the igloo and going, "Ah! Ah! Duh!" Because my body heat keeps my family alive, you know? So, you know, come on, wife! I can bench press! Anyways, you need to update your Discord link? I mean, we can do that if you want to. If you want to do that, we can do that. I always do it, and it somehow gets destroyed. Anyways, let's see what Bitcoin is here. Let's see what we got the daily close. We didn't close above 20,400, so there it is. Not the end of the world. That was sort of just a fun fight. That wasn't a serious thing. It doesn't really matter where we close, to be honest, today. Either way, it was just kind of a nothing burger daily candle. But yeah, so 20,227. Can this be the point where we come back up? Let's see. We took this yellow vector here, which is perfect. Now are they going to try to bring it back up? Let's see what Ethereum's doing. So Ethereum is still just chilling, man. Nothing really going on with ETH at the moment. So we're waiting. We're waiting for both. We're waiting for both. Anyways, ETC. Let's see what else you guys are saying here. I saw some other stuff. Luna 2. Why you guys want to look at Luna 2? Luna 2. Ugh. Luna 2, man. Yeah. Listen, I told you guys, I'm not touching these. I'm not touching these. You know why? Because these ones are such... They're being pumped up by, like, the short squeezers. You know what I'm saying? Like, and as soon as those people get in profit, they're just going to dump it. Like, this one had a nice bullish pattern going on, and then it just freaking capitulated to the downside. You know what I mean? Let me check out Luna Classic. Luna Classic. Let's see. Some of you guys might be going, oh, it's a good time to buy now. These ones, it's like you technically did come back down and take all these vector candles. Like this one here, you came all the way back down and took this yellow vector candle right here. Right there. Bada bing, bada boom. And now you're trying to come back up. Let me actually check Luna Classic. Did Luna Classic do the same thing? Let's see. Luna Classic. Actually, Luna Classic's still in this. Luna Classic is actually still in this, man. Now, as just like with the other one, be careful with this one. But this one, you actually do that. We talked about this yesterday. So far, you got that first move we were looking for, right? You came back down to that box here, wicked below. We're holding it. I mean, listen, like it is a falling wedge. It's just a percentage, right? It can break to the downside, but I mean, these two, if Bitcoin can hold up, I mean, it's a nice little pattern here. Nice little pattern where, you know, the move would be to break out to the upside at this point. We'll see if it happens. Could break to the downside. I'm not touching this thing with a 5-foot pole, but I'm not touching this thing really with a 10-foot pole. If it goes to the moon, it is what it is. It's not really, this one's really not worth my time because if it dumps, it's just not worth it. But if it goes to the moon, that's cool. That's cool. It is a bullish pattern, just like we said with Luna 2. Luna 2 dumped. This one actually looks the same kind of deal. Luna 2 dumped, so just be careful. Be careful on that one. Better coins to gamble on? Facts, man. Facts. Let's see. Only people who watch Around the Blockchain have Luna Classic? Around the Blockchain's fine, you know. If you just want some debate, it's fine. I think a lot of people who go on there just use it as a platform, but you know that's not my it's not my business. It is what it is. Excuse me, I had a little frog in my throat, man. No, but in all seriousness, like, let's see what happens for BTC here, man. we're waiting. We're being patient. We're being patient, and we kind of said it. I mean, what did we talk about this morning? We said that Bitcoin could kind of just stay in this range all day. And here it is. It's kind of just stayed in this range all day. So, yeah, man. We're hoping for a move here at some point. ETH is 1639. All right, come on, ETH. Come on, ETH. Let's go to the 15-minute on ETH. Let's get dirty on ETH. You guys want to get dirty on ETH? Vote yes or no. Dirty on ETH. Let me know. Let me know. Okie. You guys staying in the chat, man. Don't touch it with Bob's poll? No. No. You guys don't want to get dirty with ETH? Come on, man. How are you saying no? She's a 304. No, she's a 304. Oh, man. She's a 304. Well, I think Chris is actually hitting it now. Hold on. Where's Chris? Where's Chris? Shit, man. Yeah, Christ, man. Ethereum was dumping on me last night, man. Now she's pumping on everyone right now. Christ. Could I trust this freaking 304? Man. I mean, guys, I had enough of Chainlink. What's going on, guys, by the way? It's Chris. Haven't seen you guys in a long time. I had to dump Chainlink. You know, she was giving me a huge headache, and, you know, me and ETH started to mess around, but she seems to be pumping on everyone right now. Man, it's not a good look. Not a good look for me, man. Not a good look for me. Do I dump my ETH on the merge? Because let me know right now. I don't want to be merging with any other dudes. I don't want to be merging with any other dudes, to be honest. So, yeah, man. I might dump ETH on the merge here, man. I might do it. I might do it. Chris has better hair than Jordan? Seriously? You think so? No. I don't think so. All right, so 1639. Come on, ETH. Come on, ETH. Chris. You guys remember Chris from back in the day? It's been so long since we saw Chris. Oh, what else do we want to look at? Luna Classic. I think you guys said something else was pumping earlier today. What you said? Oh, Compound. Comp. Someone said comp in the pregame lobby today. Look at comp, man. It's already coming down now, but a nice move today for comp. Really, really nice move today for comp. Really, really nice. So, yeah, this one, let's go to the 4 hour real quick on little compound. Little compound. Let's go to it. Let's see what we got. So, you didn't actually have to come back and take anything. So, compound is, I don't see really any pattern. The only thing I'll say is, I mean, this is just a classic. It's a classic rise, retrace to the 50 EMA, continuation. It's getting a little pullback. I don't think this move is done, though. I think this one's still got a little bit more juice, at least on the 4 hour time frame. Hourly could pull back. You could just come and take this vector candle here, make some type of bull flag formation before you continue up. But compounds on the 4 hour doesn't look too shabby. Doesn't look too shabby, man. Paul Barron. Chris, only brother to do thumbnails. I think Chris is the only brother on a thumbnail, man. I think he is. I can't have Jabba or Bob on a thumbnail. You think anyone will click on that video? No one will click on that video, man. Come on. Come on. I mean, at least maybe it's better than my face. You guys like my face? I should probably start doing these thumbnails. What do you think? Should I start doing these thumbnails, guys? Yes or no? Should we start doing O-face thumbnails? I can't believe still people do those. To me, I'll do it from here and there it's more so as a joke. But, you know, the O-face thumbnail, should I suck a little bit of a pickle on the thumbnail? No, but right here, compound. Let's see what we got. I mean, this one still looks fine to me, at least at the moment. Just make sure we're not in any type of wedgie. It's more so of a rising channel. This one probably pulls back slightly. Maybe even retest the bottom of the channel here. Flags out for another rise up to test the highs here, which is, if you zoom out, it's really just a big sort of higher low, right? You dumped, you came back up, you dumped again, made a higher low. Now you're trying to come back up. Look for a quick pullback. And as long as Bitcoin can stay steady, this one probably stays steady. Yes? No, we're not. Let's see. Troll on Carl?
Shipments halted due to RR union dispute.
Let's see. Grain shipments halted due to RR's dispute. That's not good, man. That's not good. Let's get rid of that, by the way. No? The Discord link is expired. All right. Guys, I will get you a new Discord link. Okay? I will get you a new Discord link. I promise. I promise, man. The Viking was on the thumbnail. Yes. The Viking was on the thumbnail, guys. All right. Here comes ETH, man. Here comes ETH. Come on, ETH. Don't give me an M formation above the 200 EMA. Don't be a little bitch. Don't be a little bitch. Don't be a bitch out here. Don't be it. Come on, ETH. Break that high, baby. Break that high, baby. Chris is in shambles right now. Literally in shambles. Come on, ETH.
We're going to 100K tomorrow.
Come on, man. Don't give me that M formation. Don't get rejected.
Bitcoin's going to 10K.
That's all the bears right now, by the way. Dirty little 304. So ETH's still chilling at the highs, man. 15-minute, actually, the 15-minute doesn't look too bad at the moment. You're getting the 15-minute stock cross back to the upside after a short little pullback. I mean, what you did is you pulled back right to the 200 EMA. You back tested this previous high. You're getting that 15-minute stock cross back to the upside. Momentum about to cross back to the upside. So the 15-minute looks okay. The 15-minute looks okay. It's just a matter of, really, I mean, can we break this next high here? Does it have enough juice? Let's see. Does it got the juice, man? Let's watch ETH. Bitcoin just kind of chilling like a little bitch. but ETH is getting the move. Let's see. No, will ETH merge be postponed? Take a poll. No, take a poll. You know what? Will ETH merge? Aber said I'm short in this crap show. Man, I wouldn't. I'm not getting any trades tonight. That's for damn sure. No trades for me tonight, man. With big stuff like this, I want to sit this stuff out. I'd rather trade when it's a kind of a nothing burger of stuff going on. Never when there's stuff going on, right? Because I'm gonna be honest, I could see ETH dumping and I can see ETH pumping, and that's why I'm not getting in the trade, because the charts might tell you one thing, but the the human psychology might tell you something else as soon as you get that news, right? So let's I would not be doing that right now. You can do you. Let's see. DJ, appreciate you getting the link, my friend. That's awesome, dude. That's awesome. Dan, always coming in here, pressing like and subscribe. I love it, man. Yeah, if you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe. We're here every single night. I don't know how many new people are coming into crypto right now, but shout out to you guys. And like the stream, man. Like the stream if you could. That'd be awesome. We had a little, I thought we were getting canceled earlier today, but we ended up being pretty good. So we're good. We're good. Do some trades for hodling is for pussies. Hodling is for pussies, man. Right? That's what Jabba says. Jordan, you're really just hodling right now? You're a pussy. You're literally such a pussy. Everyone knows this is the buy the rumor, sell the news event. What an idiot. Like, this is so obvious. Every time we get something big like this, we always dump. Sure. Guys, get into Sure. You won't regret it. I'm telling you. You're going to be rich like me. You see me? You want to be me? Come on. Look at me. Look at me. I'm so happy with Melissa. Look at me. Look at me. Look at her. She's so happy too. Your wife can look like this. Look. Yay. Yay. I love Jabba. See? See? She's happy. I told you. All right. But 1645. Jabba is in a massive short position right now, guys. So hopefully we can liquidate him just a little bit. You know, maybe he wins in the end, but hopefully we can get a little Jabba liquidation going on right now. Rich in calories. Thank God my wife does not look like that. You don't want your wife wearing earrings this big, man. You better watch out. You see your wife wearing earrings like this? You best bet. You best bet. You best bet. She's wearing those earrings for a certain reason, man. All right, here we go. 1646. Come on, man. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Come on, ETH. Do it to him, man. Give him that little burn and churn. Give him that little skirt, skirt. Give him that little Come on, man. You are what you eat. That's facts. That's why I eat General Gao's chicken every night. You know what I'm saying? Come on, fart noise. You're killing me right now. I set my stop so if it pumps them out. Come on, ETH. Oh, don't give me the M formation. Don't be playing around here. Don't be playing around at the top of the range. Let's see what BTC is doing. BTC is just chilling, man. Just chilling. What else do we got? Anything else moving right now? Doesn't really seem like it. Doesn't really seem like it. BNB is just kind of holding like a rock. You see this on BNB? You see this on BNB? So we had this bigger wedge on BNB, right? Where we had that little fake out. BNB is actually interesting, right? Because we had this big daily wedge on BNB, right? Actually, this chart is actually sexy, man. This is a sexy. Does anyone else see what I'm seeing here on BNB? Does anyone else on the daily chart? Does anyone else see what I see on BNB here? Let me see if you guys can see the same thing. And listen, this is obviously speculation. It's not confirmed yet. But does anyone else see what I see on BNB, which could maybe be playing out, man? Maybe. This is only if, you know, if Bitcoin can hold the lows. Whoa. No. Clint said no. You got everyone's so bearish, man. I get it. Listen, I get it. Like, it is what it is. But listen, like, this is, you got the breakout of the wedge, rise, back test, right at this support, this support, this support, this support, chilling right here at support. BNB is in an interesting spot, man. Interesting spot. And if you zoom out, look at this massive daily pattern, man. Look at this. And we'll have market makers come and show you, but you got a left shoulder, a head, and if this wedge can continue to play out and you bounce from this green box again, do you have a massive inverse head and shoulders? Now, once again, speculation. You need to see the bounce come in, and you need to see the break of the neckline. We're very, very far away, but, you know, something we can keep an eye on here. Let's keep an eye on this one. Let's keep a little eye on this one, man. The cup and sausage. The cup and sausage. Let's see what our good friend Brendan from Market Makers has to say. Brendan from Market Makers, where are you, buddy? Hold on. Brendan from Market Makers is going to come on and explain to you guys what he sees on the, quite frankly, what he sees on the charts, guys, okay? So I'll be back. See you guys shortly. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Brendan from Market Makers back here with another video today. So, guys, we have a super bullish pattern on the Bitcoin chart that's forming right now, guys. And you won't believe this bullish pattern, okay? This bullish pattern is actually forming right now. Like I said, guys, you're not going to believe what it is. You're not going to believe what it is. And quite frankly, I don't even know what it is. It's that freaking crazy. But if you look at what's forming right here, guys, we have a bullish one-humped camel. Okay? The bullish one-humped camel is about to pump up to the upside. Do you see the hump forming? This is the hump. Okay? You got the massive tail forming here on the camel. All right? You got the massive one hump forming here. And now, what finishes the bullish camel pattern? Well, you start to form the head, which is a bull flag here. Right? You get that camel head form, okay? And no, I'm not talking about getting head. You get that camel pattern form, and you're going to come back up to the upside. And the measure move target of the camel pattern, okay, is a massive pattern. Because why? Camels don't drink water. What do they drink? Energy drinks, which means it's a massive move to the upside. What's the measure move to the upside? Well, we take the span of the camel's penis all the way down to where it can pee to, which is all the way down here at 1700, and we put that to the upside. That gives us a measure move target back up to 23K for the bullish one humped candle pattern. All right, so take it for what it is. There it is. Massive, massive pattern. If you want to continue to watch these bullish patterns with me, follow me on Market Makers. We have the best trading group in crypto. It's only a cheap, cheap price of $575 a month where you can see me draw basic patterns for $575 a month. All right, so catch you guys later. Have a fantastic day. Adios. Peace out. Okay, there we go. There we go, man. All right, anyways. There we go. All right, anyways. ETH is popping while I'm being super, super weird. Here comes ETH. Come on, ETH. It's a little pump. Come on. Let's celebrate it while we got it, because we don't know what's coming tonight. You know what I'm saying? It's nothing crazy, but let's have some patience here. But yeah, man, ETH's coming up. Still got more of this juicy liquidity to take, man. The juicy liquidity, it's there for the taking. Are they gonna want to come? The question is, are they gonna want to come all? This would be the craziest move. This would be the craziest move if ETH comes all the way back up here, takes this whole vector candle, and then the merge comes out, and then it just gets plopped. It just gets summoned right back to the shadow realm, right on the merge. That would be nuts. And I wouldn't be surprised if you see a scenario like this. I would not be at all. But let's wait and see. 1652. Let's watch, man. But the W formation is now confirmed on ETH. So nice little. So far so good. Bitcoin being a snail. it's Ethereum's time to shine. And the big chart we got to watch, guys. Look where Ethereum Bitcoin's coming in right now. It's coming back into that red box. Can ETH Bitcoin break out? You know? Dan said, calm down, Moon Boy. Dan.
Rant alert.
Dan. You know I'm not being a Moon Boy. You know me better than most people on this stream. Okay? I am not being a Moon Boy. I am simply being a short-term Moon Boy. Take it for what you will, man. Do I have the moon helmet on? No. That means I'm not being a Moon Boy. All right?
Rant alert.
Come on, man. No, the big question is, and I think this is more important than ETH. This is more important to me than ETH's actual USD value, is its value against Bitcoin, because it's now finding itself getting back up into this resistance box. If ETH can have this is a big if ETH can have a good run, it's close, man. It's not that far away. When did we learn if merge was successful? Now it's probably about 6 hours. I think it was right after 1 a.m. my time. So it's 5.5 hours ish. About 5.5 hours, my man. 5.5 hours. Well, that's when it happens. You know, it might take a little bit after that. Dan like coins that are getting pulled off exchanges. True. If whales risk their money to pump it, people will FOMO. Then whales will take their money. F those risks. Facts, man. All right, so Bitcoin's still just chilling. I mean, all eyes are on ETH right now, man. It doesn't seem like anything else is really wanting to move. How are futures looking like for tomorrow? Look at the stock market futures. ES1. Really nothing. Looks like they're coming down a little bit. Nothing crazy, but just coming down slightly. Here on the S&P. The S&P futures coming down slightly like a little snail, but we got a long way to go on this bad boy. Long way to go. Let's go back to ETH. We should probably just hang out on ETH, to be honest. Let's go back to ETH. 1651. And we got that infamous 200 EMA coming in soon. All right here at about 1660. That infamous 200 EMA on the 1 hour time frame. That's the infamous one we got to watch here. Let's see. ETH giving Bitcoin the D? So far. So far. Every time I stream, it dumps? That's actually not true. Usually when I stream, nothing happens. Usually when I stream, literally nothing happens. And then the move happens at night after I stream. Every single time. Every single time. We've had streams where we pumped like crazy. We've had streams where we dumped like crazy. All in all, it's about a wash, in my opinion. About a wash. Usually nothing happens, though. All right, so 1652. Man, this is crazy, man. This is crazy action. I'm being a little sarcastic so far. Cut out. Why are we just looking at ETH, man? Come on, man. Like, so tired of looking at ETH. Jordan, can we look at like Shiba or Doge? You know, or Luna Classic? Like, why are we just looking at ETH? ETH is not important to the market. Oh man, just look at Shiba. Man, who else in the chat wants to look at Shiba? Just me? Anyone else? Doge? Who else wants to look at those? Let me know. Because I do. Who else wants to look at Shiba? Let me know in the chat. See who said it. No one? Not one person wants to look at it. You gotta be kidding me. I hate this stupid stream. Alright. He's going nuts. Luna Classic. Alright, here we go. 1649. Still just chilling on ETH. Little ETH. Little ETH burger. Bob for president. Imagine Bob as president. He'd be an absolute shit show. Bob would be a shit show, man. He'd probably make like Wendy his freaking whatever it's called. He'd probably just like invite BitBoy to the White House. It would be a shit show, man. He'd just be drinking Mountain Dew. Like people would be like, bro, Bob, you gotta do something, man. He'd just be drinking Mountain Dew in the back room, saying screw you, drinking Mountain Dew. All right. So BNB, we're still just watching BNB. I like where BNB is actually. It's a good little setup there, in my opinion. What else? A SHIB. Look at Shibanichi, man. Look at the Shibanichi. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this little bad boy. This little bad boy. You're a bad boy. No, Shibi. I mean, Shibi's at its biggest point. This has been the big point of inflection, this whole range, right? Previous highs. Previous lows, previous lows. This is Shiba's biggest point, man. Like after that big pump you got a couple weeks ago, it's been just chilling at this range, just holding support, letting the daily stocks reset nicely. You know, is Shiba, as long as Shiba can hold this red box, it's fine. If it breaks this red box though,
Funding rate is below -3.0.
it's coming all the way back down here to 0.000000009. You know what I mean? So let's watch Shiba. Shiba's at an interesting point. 4 hour on Shiba probably shows good things because it's right at support. Let's see. Yeah, it kind of looks like Shiza. It kind of looks like Shiza actually. For now, it could change. We know Shib. Shib's gonna pump when it wants to pump. But right now it's already had its momentum move. 4 hours already coming up. And it's still just kind of chilling. Hasn't really done anything. So Shib actually kind of looks like a little bit Shiza. But just like the rest of the market, is going to come back up and take this vector candle. Time will tell. Time will tell. Let's see. Looks like ETH is chilling. Come on, ETH. Bring up the freaking rest of the altcoins. Rest of the altcoins kind of coming down, looks like a little bit. Down 1% so far. Chart looks like a flying pterodactyl. Bob wants more zeros. Look at the Shib haters. Shib ain't did nothing to y'all except bring more people to the market. The Shib haters. I used to be a Shib hater. Okay? I will admit it. Okay? I always admit something. I was a Shib hater. And I wish I wasn't a Shib hater. Okay? I was 100% a Shib hater, but I was I am willing to admit that I was a SHIB hater. Okay? And what SHIB and Doge taught me is that you should never be hating on any coin. Besides Litecoin. Hate on Litecoin. That's it. Besides Litecoin, you never expect the unexpected in crypto. Just because you think that something doesn't deserve to be in a certain position doesn't mean it can't get there. Okay? Doesn't mean it can't get there. Okay? Now, I own Doge. I own SHIB. I own both of them now. Okay? And if there's another one that comes out, I'll probably end up owning that one too. Okay? I will refuse to ever hate on a coin if there's profits to be made in it. And it's simple as that. Simple as that. All right?
Rant alert.
There it is. Bonk. The Doge bonk, man. Hate on ADA? No, don't hate on ADA. I own ADA too. But you can hate on Litecoin, man. That's it. Litecoin is a piece of shiza. That's it. All right. So, there's not much going on right now. Let me ask you guys this. Would any of you guys watch an ETH merge stream tonight? I'm feeling a little hasty. I'm feeling a little tingling in my balls. Would any of you guys watch it tonight? And if I did it, it would probably be a very, very short one. Would any of you guys watch it? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Yes? XRP sucks? Yeah? Yeah? Okay, so some of you... No? I know some of you guys gotta sleep. I would normally be sleeping at that time too. Yeah? Alright. I'm gonna do a merge stream, man. I'm gonna do it tonight. It's a little after 1 o'clock. I'm gonna pull this off. Okay? I'm gonna pull this off. I'm gonna take a nap. I'm gonna set my alarm, and I'm gonna wake up, and we're gonna do it. It probably won't be a long one. It'll probably be like a half hour, 45 minutes, something like that. But we're gonna do it. We're gonna be on there, right? Because I don't know. Maybe nothing happens, but it would be fun if something does happen, right? That would be freaking awesome. Whether it's to the upside or downside, who freaking knows? It's all a guess right now. But yeah, I'll do it. I'll be on whenever it's projected to happen, which it can change. Whenever it's projected to happen, I'll hop on. All right. So I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna get off right now because nothing's really going down right now, at least for the moment. And I'll catch you guys. I'll catch you guys in about 5 hours or so. All right. In the meantime, have a fantastic night. For I don't see anyone else. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's stream. All right. And we'll talk about what kind of happened if I don't see you tonight. All right. So, well, hold on real quick. Agnarope said ETH funding rate is below -3. Interesting. That's very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. That could get very interesting. Like I said, like, everyone thinks ETH is going to dump on the merge. Everyone thinks it is. So does it do the opposite everyone thinks? At least initially. Okay, it might pump and dump, but we'll find out. I think it'll be fun. But all right, guys, I'll catch you guys later. All right, in about 5 hours or so. All right, adios, peace. Have a good one, and don't do anything on you. Don't pay for crypto. Most of all, don't pay for crypto, and don't be afraid to take profits in the bear market rallies until proven otherwise. All right, catch you guys in a few hours. Peace.